Hey, so what are we up to?
35 hours and counting.
Wow, I guess the Jabra Evolve2 75 headset really does have 36 hours of battery life.
Yeah, hey, did we really need to test that?
Said the guy in a lab coat. Anyway, now that we know, we can unbox this. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Unbox This. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me there as @DevinHoward. I'm also on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Today we're getting into the Jabra Evolve2 75 headset. This headset was engineered to support you throughout your busy workday, whether you're conducting meetings in a loud office or staying connected to your team while you're working from home. It boasts superior call quality and all-day comfort, and like Professor Science determined, it really does have a 36-hour battery life. Thanks, Professor Science. Now that he's done all the heavy lifting, let me do all the fun stuff. It's time to unbox this. Okay, let's dive in. This looks like your quick start guide almost. It's telling you how to get started. You download the Sound Plus app, which I'm gonna tell you guys about in just a second. And it lists all the different things that you can do with your Evolve2 75 headset. Nice. Now in here we have the warning and declarations guide. Okay, now here is the headset. Good looking headset, especially for an office item. This is something that you would most likely use in the workplace or while you're working from home. Looks pretty good. We also have the USB-C cord. And then if you do plan on taking your headset with you from place to place, you've got this convenient little carrying pouch. And that's everything, you guys, so let's talk about the Jabra Evolve2 75 headset. Now let's first discuss comfort. If you're wearing a headset all day, it's important that it feels nice on your head. There is nothing worse than the pounding headache you get from a poorly designed headset while you're trying to get through a super tedious meeting. The dual foam technology is soft and plush, and the ergonomic design of the ear cup will sit nicely on your head. The leatherette fabric also improves ventilation so you don't get hot, sweaty ears. Jabra says that their engineers spent a ton of time analyzing different weights, consistencies, and densities of memory foam to optimize audio performance, and their discoveries were implemented into the Jabra Evolve2 75. Their findings resulted in a hard foam for the exterior and a soft foam for the interior ear cushions. You get noise cancellation, noise isolation, and a comfortable headset you can wear all day long. They also specifically designed the Jabra Evolve2 75 for a hybrid work environment, one that can be noisy. The 8 strategically placed microphones and advanced beamforming technology work to drown out unwanted ambient noise so your voice is what stands out. And on top of that, they used advanced triple digital chipset powers and a new Jabra algorithm to differentiate between voice and background noise even better than before. The microphone arm isn't annoyingly in the way, and that's because it's 33% shorter than before. Discreet mode allows you to hide the mic while still making incredibly clear calls. Even if you're not actively on a call, the Jabra Advanced Noise Cancellation can help you find the peace and quiet you need to get your tasks done. With the Sound Plus app, you can select your level of noise cancellation so you can drown out a loud office environment. And then, this is my favorite feature of the headset, the busy light. You can turn it on so your coworkers can know when you're available for a chat and when you're not. So let's try it out. I'm gonna put this on, turn on busy light. Wow, that really worked! I love it! The 30-meter wireless range gives you the freedom to get up and grab a snack or coffee while still staying connected to your call. And if you want even more flexibility, you can connect your headset to your smartphone. Jabra really leveled up the office headset with the Jabra Evolve2 75. Everything from the comfortable ear cups to the leak-tolerant 40mm speakers to the high-quality mic is top tier. Whether you're chiming into a daily meeting or listening to a podcast while you work, the Jabra Evolve2 won't disappoint. Want to shop for one for yourself? Check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys!